Well, hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. My name is Mo, and in this video, we're going to be talking about 7 undervalued Dividend King stocks that are remarkable picks for many dividend investors. And you want to take a look at them and be sure to have them either on your portfolio or add them to your watch list. Dividend King stocks, for those of you who might not be familiar, are the companies that have been increasing their dividend payments for 50 years or more. And in many ways, they are remarkable businesses that have gone through many things, including recession, economical turmoils, as well as technological advancements, and have come out of it with success and managed to be paying their dividend and increasing it for over 50 years. In this video, our focus would be on 7 picks of those Dividend King stocks that are considered to be undervalued at this time. So let's get into it. All right, our very first pick is a company no other than 3M, available with ticker symbol MMM. It's an industrial sector company and currently has a dividend yield of 4.06%, which is higher than its 5-year average dividend yield. From a price to earnings ratio, 3M has a ratio of 14.1, which is below its own 5-year average. 3M has a dividend safety score of 75, making it a safe dividend payer. And last time that they increased their dividend goes back to February of 2022, where they increased it by 0.7%. 3M has increased its dividend uninterrupted for the past 63 years, making it a remarkable Dividend King stock. 3M pays its dividend quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. On the second spot, we have Leggett & Platt, ticker symbol LEG, which manufactures and markets engineered components products. It's a consumer discretionary company with a 4.5% dividend yield at this time. From a price to earnings ratio, Leggett & Platt has a ratio of 13.2, which is below its own 5-year average. Leggett & Platt has a dividend safety score of 70, making it a safe dividend payer. And the last time they increased their dividend was back in May of 2021, where they increased it by 5%. Leggett & Platt has a history of 50 years of increasing its dividend and does pay its dividend quarterly in the months of January, April, July, and October. On the third spot, we have Stepan Company, with ticker symbol SCL. The company produces and sells specialty and intermediate chemical products and has a dividend safety score of 99, making it a very safe dividend payer. The dividend yield for SCL is at 1.30%, and it has a price to earnings ratio of 15.6, which is below its own 5-year average. Last time the company increased its dividend goes back to October of 2021, where they increased it by 9.8%, making the fast dividend growth at that time. SCL has been increasing its dividend payment for the past 55 years, and it does pay its dividend quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. On the fourth spot, we have PPG Industries. It's a materials company, and it actually manufactures and distributes paints, coatings, and specialty products with a dividend yield of 1.90%. From a price to earnings ratio, PPG Industries has a ratio of 16.6, which is in line with their own 5-year average. Dividend safety score for PPG Industries is at 93, making it a very safe dividend payer. And the last time they increased the dividend goes back to July of 2021, where they increased it by 9.3%, making the fast dividend increase. PPG Industries has been growing its dividend for the past 50 years, and it does pay its dividend quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. On the fifth spot, we have Lancaster Colony Corporation. It's a consumer staples company manufacturing and marketing food products for retail and other sectors, with a dividend yield of 1.97% and a price to earnings ratio of 28.2, which is in line with their 5-year average. Dividend safety score for Lancaster Colony Corporation is at 95, making it a very safe dividend payer. Dividend growth goes back to November of 2021, where Lancaster Colony Corporation increased it by 6.7%, making it an average dividend growth at that time. The company has been increasing its dividend consecutively for the past 58 years, and it does pay its dividend quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. On the sixth spot, we have Stanley Black & Decker, the ticker symbol SWK. The company engages in the tools and storage industrials, and it's an industrials sector company with a dividend yield of 1.95%. Price to earnings ratio for Stanley Black & Decker is at 13.2, which is below 5-year average for this company. Dividend safety score is at 90, making it a very safe dividend payer. And the last time the company increased its dividend goes back to July of 2021 with a 13% increase, making it a very fast dividend increase at that time. The dividend growth streak for Stanley Black & Decker goes for 54 years, and the company does pay its dividend quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. Finally, on the 7th spot of the Dividend King undervalued stocks, we have SJW Group, the ticker symbol SJW, which provides water utility services in the US. SJW Group has a dividend yield of 2.12% and price to earnings ratio of 27.4. Their price to earnings ratio is currently in line with their 5-year average and a dividend safety score of 99, making the stock a very safe dividend payer. The last time the company increased its dividend goes back to January of 2022, most recently, where they increased their dividend by 5.9%, making it average dividend growth. SJW Group has been increasing its dividend payment consecutively for the past 54 years, and they do pay their dividend quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. Well, there you have it, folks. A quick look into 7 Dividend King stocks that are remarkable businesses and, in fact, are considered to be undervalued at this time. Do you own any of these stocks in your stock investment portfolio at this time? Which one of these stocks are you more interested in to add to your watch list or perhaps buy and add them to your portfolio? Leave us a comment down below and let us know what you think. We hope you found this video beneficial and gained something of value from it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Here on Momentum Finance, we post every week several videos about investing, whether it's investing in the stock market, including dividend stock, growth stocks, and penny stocks, investing in cryptocurrencies, as well as ways to reach financial freedom. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.